Johara and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do something a bit different, but one of my closest friends, she still lives in Florida from back when I lived there, but she always manages to get me something for any major holiday: Valentine's Day, Halloween, my birthday, and Christmas, which is in the same month. So she gave me an early birthday / Christmas gift. A Harry Potter version of 25 Days of Christmas. I did not know 25 Days of Christmas was even a thing until my best friend and mom told me about it. I was like, oh, okay. I didn't know that was a thing. But she got me a Harry Potter version because we're both obsessed with Harry Potter. So, and I thought about doing a vlog where on each day I would open them up, and even though I'm usually very, very patient, I can be very patient. My mom cannot, but I can. I want to know what's inside these, so I don't want to wait. So I'm going to do them now. I'll open them all right here for you guys. And you guys can see what I get as I get them. But I will still do them in order because why not? So number one. You guys ready? Number one is... I have no idea what this is. Let's see.
It looks like a little book.
It is. I think it's kind of a behind the scenes thing. Or maybe it's a little tiny Harry Potter storyline. No, I think it's a... Yeah, it's a behind the scenes thing on how they did some of the stuff. Interesting. And it has this, so I can hang it up. Because why not?
It looks like a passport.
Number two. These for packages to and from. Why? I don't know. But okay. See. 3.
Oh, they're for when you put it on like Christmas gifts or birthday gifts.
If I can get it out, that could be helpful. This one doesn't like me. It's the Deathly Hallows. I have a Deathly Hallows. It's very different somewhere on that table. And I also have a bracelet with the Deathly Hallows on it. Don't laugh. So I can hang this up with my other Deathly Hallows. Because why not? Let's see. 4 is here. I can't even open this. Here it goes. Let's see what's inside this, shall we? It's a Harry Potter coloring magic. It's not called coloring book. It's called coloring magic. Okay? Get it right. It's very tiny, but it's a coloring magic.
Super tiny. That's cool though.
It is. That was $4.75.
Right here.
Alright, awesome. Let's see what else I'm gonna get.
I was gonna say, I think there's multiple things there.
Cards. Harry Potter like cards. Okay, so there's this one. There's this one. This one. And this one. These are the houses. See, there's mine, Hufflepuff, and Alyssa's Slytherin, because we found out she's a Slytherin.
No, I'm Ravenclaw.
No, you can't change it.
I'm Ravenclaw. In my heart, I am.
She doesn't like being Slytherin, but she doesn't get that she doesn't get a choice. If she takes the actual test on the Harry Potter website, then that's what she is.
That's wrong.
It's not wrong. It's never wrong. The Sorting Hat is never wrong.
It's wrong.
Actually, J.K. Rowling said that only House only ever made 7 mistakes, and one of them was putting Severus Snape in Slytherin.
Yeah, I can see that.
I don't know. I mean, when he was a kid, he was a good guy, but even though he wasn't a villain, he still wasn't a nice guy. We're 6.
Right here.
Okay.
Can you get it?
Is that the one thing?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
I don't know if you can see it, but the picture moves. Kind of like my bear pictures. I have a black bear there and a brown bear there. And if you move, you can see 3 different types of black bear and brown bear. And it's really cool. And this is pretty much the same thing, just a really tiny version. It's Harry on Buckbeak from Prisoner Azkaban when he was flying Buckbeak for the first time. I've seen Harry Potter a lot. I knew that.
Dixon hates when you scratch your fingernail on those. He gets the shivers.
I've never done that.
No, I've done it too.
I don't have fingernails to do that. So that was 6, right? So
Yeah.
7.
7 is right there.
Under the picture of Hermione and should be Ron, but okay. Interesting. These are the 4 houses and things just to hang up, I guess, on a tree, but we don't usually do trees here. Gryffindor, Slytherin. Here's yours.
Hey.
And it also has the what they mean on there. Gryffindor.
Courage, bravery, and
Can you speak?
No.
Bravery, courage, and determination.
Thank you.
I have a lot of determination, but I'm still 100% Hufflepuff.
It's official. Because you took the official test.
Yep. Actually, every test I take says Hufflepuff.
That's funny.
So Slytherin says ambition, pride, and cunning. You
No.
are Slytherin!
I have none of those.
You can be pretty cunning.
No, I can't.
Okay, we're doing best for last, so Hufflepuff's last. So here's Ravenclaw. Learning, wisdom, wit. You don't like to learn, so how are you, Ravenclaw?
I told you some stuff last night, and you're like, if you ever say you're stupid again, I'm going to smack you.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean you like to learn, it just means you know things. There's a difference.
I like to learn some stuff. It's just like certain stuff.
Hufflepuff. Dedication, patience, and loyalty.
Yeah, you're like a dog. You're very loyal. It's not an insult.
Get out. I'm kicking you out of my apartment.
It's not an insult. Dogs are really loyal. That's why I said that.
Yeah, but doesn't mean I want to be called a stinking dog.
I'm not trying to call you a freaking dog.
So 8. I swore I saw 8 not that long ago. I don't know where it went.
Right here.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's a couple things in there.
Yeah. Ooh, it's these characters. Patronus, Albus Dumbledore, Harry Potter. We all knew Harry Potter's. Hermione Granger.
I wonder if the cast actually...
And Ron Weasley. Another proof that Ron could be Hufflepuff. You say how dogs are loyal. Just throwing that out there. Because, let's be honest, no one person has just the traits for one house. It's just those traits are just bigger in that house than from that house than the other one. That's why they chose that. Hermione could have been Ravenclaw, but her bravery was stronger than her wisdom. And then Ron could have been Hufflepuff, but his bravery was stronger than his kindness. And then I'm pretty sure Luna could have been Hufflepuff as much as Ravenclaw as well. Neville could have probably been Hufflepuff as well as Gryffindor, so...
Valid. Here's 9.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Under the picture of the 3 of them in Prisoner Azkaban at Hogsmeade in the snow.
Wow.
I knew that just from looking at the picture. I've seen these movies maybe a little bit too much. Harry Potter. Shut up. Harry Potter magical moments. The Patron. In Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix, Harry is rewarded as a teacher when many of his Dumbledore Army students are able to conjure a Patronus. Ginny casts a horse with a fluttering mane, Hermione conjures a playful otter, and Ron conjures an equally playful Jack Russell Terrier. That knocks Neville over. So that was 9, so 10.
10 is right here.
This looks like one of those cards from a Chocolate Frog, only it doesn't actually have the card part inside of it, but...
Oh, but you know what? It might have another pocket.
Maybe. Probably not, because I don't think you can even open to put it in there.
Oh
wait, no, it looks like...
The mirror.
The Mirror of the Race?
Yeah.
I was gonna say it might be one of those talking portraits right before you go into their dormitories for each house. But she's gone. The singing lady's gone. Uh-oh. How do we get into Gryffindor Hall? So that was 10, right? So 11's right here. These are just a bunch of paper I can do whatever with, I guess.
Cool. A little notepad.
Yeah.
So tiny.
Everything has to be tiny to fit in these pouches. So that was 11, so 12
is over here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see anything else.
This is my Hogwarts ticket to get to Hogwarts. My train ticket. London to Hogwarts. I'm going to Hogwarts. See ya.
Bye.
Platform 9 3/4, here I come.
Peace. Have fun.
Rude. That was 12, 13. It's not wanting to open. It's stuck. Okay, there it goes. This one's really tiny. I wonder what could fit in here. I don't feel
Probably a
anything.
charm.
It was really down there.
Was I right?
No. It's one of these things. I forgot what it's called. A clip or something.
Paper clip.
Yeah, paper clip. And it has, this is that monster book. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, it could be.
It's the monster
You
book.
could also use it as a bookmark.
True.
That's cool.
Monster book.
Did you already open up? Oh, I was reading it wrong. I thought it was.
Here's 14. You thought it was what?
I thought 21 was 12 because I'm this way.
I don't really know what this is, but...
It's a sticker.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure? Because nothing's coming off on the back.
Let me see.
That was
Yeah.
14.
See this line?
Yeah.
That's how you peel it off.
Okay. Well, a sticker. I'll figure out what to do with it. Maybe I could put it on my laptop. I know some people put stickers on the front of their laptop. I never have, but I know people do.
Devin has.
So that was 14, 15. There. Mr. H. Potter, the cupboard under the stairs. 4 Privet Drive, Little Wingy. Is that Wingy? Surrey. Okay then. This is the note. See, it even has. See, it looks exactly like it. They got their details down. And it has the tiny letter. Dear Mr. Potter, we are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Students shall be required to report to the Chamber of Reception upon arrival, the dates for which shall be duly advised. Please ensure that the utmost attention be made to the list of requirements attachments herewith. We very much look forward to receiving you as part of the new generation of Hogwarts heritage. Yours sincerely, Professor McGonagall.
Cool.
Okay, so I forgot which one that was. That was 15. Okay, so 16. Here's 16.
That's big pocket.
Yeah, this is one of those things that goes on your door. This says, "Welcome to Hogwarts," to let people know they can come in. And this says, "Studying for my owls," which means go away. I like this. I'm gonna use it.
Especially when we're writing.
I'm studying for my owls. Go away. Don't laugh at me. Okay.
Just gotta smack me with it.
I didn't do anything.
You
No one saw anything.
17, right?
Yeah. There it is. And 18's here. So I know. I have several of these bookmarks. And they're Harry Potter twice, too. This one doesn't like me, though. It's basically a magnet. I bought a package on Barnes & Noble a while ago of Hagrid and a few of his creatures, Buckbeak, Fluffy, and Norval, and I also saw several on Amazon, a whole package of a bunch of characters that I want to buy when I have the money. Because I love these bookmarks. It just keeps your place and you don't have to worry about it accidentally falling out or you accidentally pulling it out or something. And here's another one of Hogwarts. And it shows the 4 houses. Okay, so that was 17 to 18. Some of these are really stuck.
You got it.
Maybe now. Okay. Oh, these are the requirements that it talked about in the letter. First year students will require 3 sets of plain work robes, 1 plain pointed hat for day wear, 1 pair of dragon hide gloves, and the following set books. The Standard Book of Spells by Miranda Goshawk, 1000 Magical Herbs and Fungi by Philia Spore, A History of Magic by Bathilda Bagshot, Magical Theory by Adalbert Waffling, A Beginner's Guide to Transfiguration by Emmerich Switch, Magical Drafts and Potions by Arsenia Tigger, Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them by Snoot Scamander, The Dark Forest, A Guide to Self-Protection by Quentin Trimble. All students must be equipped with 1 wand, 1 standard-sized 2 Perter cauldron, and may bring, if they desire, either an owl, a cat, or a toad.
Oh, there's 19.
Where's the letter? There it is. Okay. Okay. 19. Here we come. These are pictures.
And then... Oh, they're postcards.
Oh, postcards. Okay.
That's cool.
Okay. 20's here. More of the houses with what they are for.
Kind of looks like coasters.
Kind of do. Slytherin. This is Alyssa's house.
Stop! I hate that. No.
Ravenclaw,
Yeah, I think it's coasters.
Gryffindor, and Hufflepuff. The best house, for those of you that were not aware.
He's not very biased at all.
Of course not.
21.
Okay.
That's all. I don't see any.
The chocolate frog.
Is it a sticker?
Yep. It's a sticker of the chocolate frog box. I want a chocolate frog. I had a chocolate frog when I went to the Harry Potter World in Universal, and it was delicious. I want one now. So that was 21.
Yeah, 22 is right here. It's just a couple things. Yeah, you got them.
Polyjuice potion. How to make it. And then some characters with the potion. Drought of Living Death with Harry Potter. Felix Felicius with Slughorn. Veritaserum with the worst character in Harry Potter, Umbridge. And then Polyjuice potion, how to make it. And on the back explains what Polyjuice potion is. I know what it is though.
It's for those that don't.
That was 22, right? So here's 23. Another sticker. I'd rather stay at Hogwarts this Christmas. I like this one. So
24 is right here. My voice cracked.
This is a big one. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. It's a map. It would be better if it was a different map. Get what I mean?
Yeah.
The Fred and George's map. So there's the Great Hall. I'm going to follow this map to get to the Great Hall. Don't roll your eyes on me. Hey. So 25, the last one.
Wow. That's a lot. Did you get it?
No.
Oh, it's a keychain.
With Hedwig with an envelope.
Cute.
So rubbery. Hedwig.
Cute.
That was all of them. So that was the end of this video, apparently, because we're done. But that's all what I got, thanks to Victoria. So she managed to give me one gift and giving me $1 million.
Pretty much.
But I'm excited to figure out what to do with all this. I really like these. I'm considering putting these stickers on my laptop. Haven't decided yet. We'll see. I'll let you know what I decide. But yeah, coasters. I can use some coasters. I'm excited to test this out. See if people actually listen to it. Probably not.
They'll just see it and ignore it.
Right. But yeah, this was fun and interesting and different, and I had a lot of fun. So that's all for this video. Please like and subscribe and comment which one was your favorite out of everything that I had gotten, and if you ever got anything like this before. And
mine is this one.
Of course, that's her favorite. I don't have favorite. I love them all.
You did say that you like this one a lot.
Yeah. I don't know. There's some that I like more than others, but I don't know. I like them all in different ways. They're all really cool. I like them. So that is all, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye!